Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you how you remove the filter assembly on a Dodge 5-speed automatic, and it's a 2500 with a Hemi. It's held on with a 10mm bolt, and it's right there. Once you remove the pan, of course, you got to clean off all that rubber gasket maybe that somebody's put on there. Well, that's how you remove to replace the filter assembly. Also, there is another filter that comes from the factory. You can remove this one as well. And there's the part number right there. But it's not a service filter that's recommended by the factory. It's recommended on it's a rebuild filter when you rebuild the transmission. As far as just doing a service change, filter and fluid assembly change, just like on an oil change. This is the one you change. You don't change that round one. Like I said, the round, your cone style. That is for when you do a transmission rebuild. That's when you replace that filter. I don't know why, but that's what Chrysler, Fiat. That's what they recommend on this transmission. Like I said, but that's how you change what's called the filter and pan filter gasket assembly. That's the one you replace, not that one. It's held in with a 10mm. Hopefully I found this video useful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Make sure you hit that share button. You have a great day.